Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
I welcome all of you to the press briefing this evening. So, before we proceed further, I would request our DHS to kindly update us.
Briefing as of today's evening is as follows. The number of samples sent for testing till 16th of June this year is 14188. The number of persons tested negative till today is 13649. As of today, the number of active cases is 15, recovered 28, total positive we have got so far as of today is 44, and one has had expired out of this 44. This is all we have got from the health department.
Again, I just wanted to update. Kitu kikon samla jongi kibawan pai hadu menta kasngi shala kajong gejala kilong khatsan hajar nyuspa arphongut.
As per the reports which we have received from Negrams, they would like to test the baby on the 4th or 5th day after birth.
Kaba mangah marwe bat ngi kiba shimye ka decision na ka government ka longani kum balong hadu mentang ngomepi ngimpat don ka community transmission. Number 1. Number 2, kine kiba yo ki positive. Ki positive cases hadu menta ki ki returnees. Te ki returnees pat ngomepi ngi kiba wan menta the whole mon hadu bakut uni benai. Ka temporary kam jongi ka don be ang tie pok Guwahati ka wei has station rail bat ka wei has station airport haba kitang supoi hang tu ngila simti mangi bat ngialam yaki saka ban test bat hadin la de test yaki kinle sa shwa ka tuga institutional quarantine bat hadin bangila yo ya ka result kala banlong positif le ni negatif ya kataru ngila de le lut na dong syadong nak kadaw ngong pi ngidon ka jis ngusngan ka bakraw henrei bat kut tang kata jis ngusngan kamlong kajinya kun jongi kalong bang ngam not ban I guarantee pada bin ong bet bingila singan namar you never know tenrei I ba iway pa iway nok sok snong ka jela ka jongi ngin kit kle marway la damentang ila nang hier ka positive cases bat kajing shat jing klain ka nang kiu te nga soben ong ba kaden kambek tang ka we bat kata kalong jingi trelang bat katu ka SOP bro kabala issue na kalian ka health department ki advisories bro ki bangi issue na ka surkar na ka kapor nga soben ong ba ladengila ban bot renti yakitu tangkata nga ong pi ngila long singan ngila long safe ladengimla ban le kata tingo ong pi kan bu kajing ka bakraw ya ka jela bro koi